everyone, Chef New Year's Baby Yoda the dog here, and we have a New Year's meal for the Monday meal since New Year's Day is Sunday. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and that you have a prosperous New Year in 2023. And in order to set you up for a great New Year, you have to have a great New Year's meal, right? So this one has black-eyed peas in it, and it is a black-eyed pea gumbo. And my mom is actually making half of this recipe. It calls for a bunch of stuff, so it's double the amount we need. So we're doing half of this one. I know, unusual. She normally doubles stuff, but this one is half. But she got it off of her favorite app, the All Recipes app. So she'll put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. But this is a great one for the new year. It brings you luck and sets you up for a good new year. So, black-eyed peas it is. And we're going to use some sausage from Mountain Man Meat Market in Hochatown, Oklahoma. It is a smoked sausage that my mom got that she's adding to this recipe. And also, she's going to show you some of the changes she made based on the reviews that they had. But I just want to wish you a happy and prosperous new year. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And give us a thumbs up on this video if you like it. And we just hope you have, again, a wonderful, happy, and prosperous new year in 2023. Chef Baby Yoda, the New Year dog, out.
Hey everyone, Happy New Year 2023, as Chef Yoda, the baby New Year dog or whatever he was, said. This is our Monday meal, but it's for New Year's Eve. We're going to eat it then, so I'm going to make it now and then we'll freeze it and eat it then. But this is a black-eyed pea gumbo. I got the recipe off of All Recipes Dinner Spinner app. I think they changed the name of that, but I don't remember the new name, so it's the All Recipes app. And then we have heated up, let me just say this. The recipe that I'm going to link in the description box below, we halved it. And also we added some sausage to it that I got from Mountain Man Meat Market in Hochatown, Oklahoma. Because some of the reviewers said that they added meat to theirs. So I'm adding sausage. It's a smoked sausage. And then instead of the regular tomatoes, everybody just did either 2 cans of Rotel if you do the full recipe, or I did 1 can of Rotel. Or diced tomatoes with green chilies, because I did half the recipe and it called for 4 cans of black-eyed peas. I did 2. Instead of 2 cups of stock, I did 1, maybe 1.5, and I used this better than bouillon to make the stock, because I am in a condo in Missouri for our New Year's trip, so I'm doing this there, and I'm limited. As you can see, the pot is not big enough. And then for the garlic, it said 2 cloves. I actually did half a teaspoon, which is probably more like 4 cloves, but you know I like garlic, so that's in there. And then we did the sausage link that I chopped up and heated up in the frying pan first, along with half a cup of onion, which I used frozen onion for that, and then 3 stalks of celery. So I chopped that up and put that in the pan and heated that first, and then added it to this after the rice had cooked. I used the instant white rice, instant rice from Walmart. So it's 1-to-1. So I did, to make it more of a soup, I did 1.5 cups of stock with just 1 cup of the white rice. So, and then it said you bring it to a boil, you dump the rice in, you put the lid on, remove it from the heat, and let it sit for 5 minutes. That was perfect. It was perfectly cooked after the 5 minutes. Then I added in the black-eyed peas, the tomatoes, with green chilies. The stock was already in there, and the garlic. And then I dumped in the celery, onion, and the sausage that we added. It also talks about green bell pepper, but I'm allergic to that, so I never add that, and nobody else in my family likes peppers, so we never put that in ours, but that's something else you could do if you have it and you like it. So this is what it looks like. This is the finished product. Since we had the instant rice instead of like brown rice or other kinds of rice that would have taken 45 minutes to get tender, it took us, you know, however long this took to boil, probably less than 5 minutes. So it's done, and I've tasted it, and it's good. This is going to be our New Year's good luck meal, and I hope you guys give it a try and have a happy and prosperous 2023. Happy New Year.